Assalamu alaikum and very, very, very good morning to all of my students. You look wonderful. Okay, so I hope you're already enjoying your classes, enjoying the new day of a week. So I am again in front of you, and right now this is our arts class. Yeah. So in our arts class, we play with lines, we play with paint and brushes, and we enjoy that, right? So today I thought of making something small, and this color we have not yet used, so I wanted to use that color because I love this color as well. Okay, so I am going to use today a yellow color in our arts class, and this is my brush, and you know that I paint on my board. Yes, so I have a yellow paint. So what we are painting today that is yellow? Think, yeah. What should we paint? Yes, it can be mango. Yes, but we don't have the mango season, so we are not painting a mango. What else is yellow? Banana. We already did banana. Yeah. What else is yellow? Come on, think of anything. Sun? Yes. But you're not making sun. That's not right, guess. I told you that that's a small thing. Sun is a huge thing. So we're going to make a small thing. Okay, so let's give you a hint. That's a small thing. It has got two legs. Humans are not yellow. Yes. Yes, we do have two legs, but we are not yellow. Some of us are pink, some of us are a little bright white, some of us are a little dark. So we are not yellow, right? Okay. Yes, it has got two legs and it has got a beak, an orange beak. Yes, and it has got wings. Think, a yellow one. What it can be. Come on, think of it. Yay, that is a chick, a hen's baby, right? So we are going to draw a chick today, okay? So let's start. We are going to draw a chick, and for that, I will also be using my board marker, right? So what am I going to do is, first of all, I am going to take out a little of yellow color, yellow paint, I mean, right? So we will take the plate, clean plate, and we will take out yellow paint, okay? So I'm going to take out yellow paint. I love yellow color. Okay, I think that's enough, okay? So you're going to close the model. Yes, okay. And now we have yellow color in a plate. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will just add a little of water in it. A little of water. We will just dip our paint brush in the water and we will just smooth the paint. Right now, see, this is rough. See, this looks rough. You have to make it smooth like this. As we learned today in our numeracy class, that rough and smooth, this looks rough, right? And this looks smooth. See, this is rough and this is smooth. Okay, so we have made our yellow paint. We will be adding a little more water in it. So this is how now we made it. This is a little rough one which we have left. So we will mix it and make it smooth. Okay, so we will put it over here for a while and we will take our board. Right, we're going to take a whiteboard on which we paint. Right, So this is our whiteboard, and as usual, we are going to draw lines, play with the lines to make different things. So this time we are going to make a chick, right? And for that, we will be using which line? We'll be using circles and straight line and a little of curved lines. Okay, so let's start making a chick. So first of all, we're going to make a small circle. That will be the face of the chick. Okay, so we're going to make a small circle. This is our chick face. Okay. Yeah, see, this is our chick's face, and now we're going to make his body. Now, for that, even we will be making a bigger circle, right? So we're going to make a big circle like this over here. I hope this looks good. Okay. Circle, 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 circle. Okay. So now we have made the body and the face. Okay, we will make it a little round, a little more round, I think. More round. Okay. Okay. So I will just try to make it a little accurate round. I hope it looks like a little better. Yes, now this looks a little better. Okay, now we're going to make the wings. For the wings, we're going to make a straight line, horizontal line, and now we will make a little curve. I'll show you, right? We're going to make a straight line like this, horizontal, then curve, then second curve, third curve, and fourth curve. Now look at this. See, we made the wings, and then we will make another wing. First curve, second curve, third curve, and fourth curve. Right? See, we have made two wings, and now we're going to make the legs. We are going to make the legs. Okay, I'll just show you. Just a minute, hold on. I will just show you. Okay, now this is our chick, right? Oh, we left. Oh, we forgot something. What? Yes, we forgot the eyes. Okay, we're going to make two eyes, and we are going to make a beak, right? Now, this is the beak of our cute little chick. Okay, now that is done. Now have a look at this. Oh my God, it's a fat chick. Wow, he eats a lot. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to paint it yellow. Okay, so we will be adding a little more water. We will make the paint smooth. Yes, we will make the paint smooth. And now, first of all, we're going to paint the big circle. Okay, so we're going to paint a big circle. We'll be staying in the line. See, this time I have mixed the paint well with the water, so it did not drip off as it was dripping in the flag, right? So we have to mix it and make it smooth texture and not very, it should not be very thick and it should not be very watery, so that dripped off. Wow, lovely yellow color. Wow, Chick, are you happy? Maybe he seems happy, right? Okay, now we're going to paint the wings, the yellow wings. We have also pink chicks as well. Have you seen them? Purple and pink and yellow. People dye them differently and they bring it and they sell it. You must have seen that, right? Yes. Okay, so we have to stay in the line. We don't have to go out of the line, right? So we are painting our cheek yellow, 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 yellow. I love yellow. I love sunflowers. I love yellow color. Yay! Okay, now we are going to paint all the curves. Yeah, like this. Okay, and we're not going to leave any white patch. We will color all the yellow, but staying in the line. Okay, that's great. Now we're going to paint the face. Okay, we have painted the face. Okay, that's great. We can even paint the eyes and we can make it darker later on. Okay, now, wow. Now just have a look at this. Ah, that's looks lovely fat chick. I like him. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to paint the beak orange. Okay, so I am going to paint it orange, right? So let's see. A beak, we have to take a small amount of paint and a thin brush. We have to have thin brush to paint the beak because the beak is very, very cute and it is, you can even make red beak, but okay, we'll make it a little orangish. I'm going to mix the colors to make it orange. Okay, so this is dark orange, kind of rushed. Yeah, so we have painted the beak orange, and we can even paint its legs orange. You must have seen the chick's legs are also, they're also orange. Okay, so we're going to paint it orange. This looks like a little dark orange because the red is a little more in quantity. So, but that's okay. No problem. Now, have a look at a final look of a chick. Yay! Doesn't that look good? Yeah, it is. For us, like for you, for sweet little cute students, you can make a simple chick with 2 circles and 2 horizontal lines and a couple of curves. And then the parallel lines, you can make the feet, yes, and a little triangle to make the beak. Yay! Okay, I hope you like it. I like it. Do you like it? Yes, my cheek looks good. And no, it is yellow color. So yellow is the beautiful color. I love yellow color. So this was our cheek. Yay, that is great. I hope you like it because I like it. Because I like chicks. We all like chicks. Do you? Yes, we all like chicks because they're so cute, just like you. They're very cute. Okay, so this was our arts class today, and we have made a beautiful, beautiful chick. Oh, this is so cute. My hillbilly chickie of yellow color. Yellow, 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 bright color. Yay, that's great. So this was our arts class today, and I hope you have learned to make a chick. And then it's good to play with colors and have fun. You really enjoy it, right? So you can make a chick at home with the help of your parents. Yes. Take a paper, or maybe you can paint it on the whiteboard and then wipe it, right? And then clean it. Don't leave it like that, because maybe that can stick to that and your mommy will have a difficult time cleaning that, right? So make sure that when you paint your board, so wipe it with a wet cloth so that is again white, and you can even paint more things and your mommy does not have to do much. You should help your mommy's cleaning up, right? Do you? Okay, that's great. That's very important. All of you should help your mummies, help cleaning everything. Even that's your lobby, your lounge, your bedroom, your books, your toys, even in the kitchen. Maybe you can help her, because she's doing a lot for you. Your parents are doing a lot for you. They should be very helpful and understand, right? You should be responsible kids. So whenever you paint, or whenever you are like doing your artwork or doing your homework, make sure at the end of that chore, or at the end of that activity, at the end of the work you're doing, you keep everything back on its place. The pencils should be in the box, or whether in the pencil box, your erasers, your scissors, your paints, your paint brushes, your whiteboard, or the paper, whatever you're using, that should be neat and clean, because that is how a responsible child should be. If you're going to clean yourself, you're going to clean your mess, if you're going to clean your things, then you'll be helping your mommy and your papa clean your house, and then you will be cleaning your city. You will keep your city clean, and all when all the cities will be clean, our whole country will be neat and clean. And that's what you are going to do, right? Promise? Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now this was an arts class, and I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy. Yay. Okay. I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.